Okay, guys, so I'm back here. I woke up to two orders this morning, and we already have one of order from the new campaign which we created, which is pretty quick. Okay, let's see what's going to happen all through today. Today is Saturday, today is 7th, right? So today is day three, okay, of this whole test. Today is day three, right? And so far, we have 20 orders. Now it is actually more. We have more than 20 orders, right? Because there are people who um, just send messages via WhatsApp. Because if you go to the page, you can see people who ask questions and you have to reply to them and all that. Then there are people who share and provide the number as well. So there are some orders that come in offline and not directly through um, the ad itself, right? But that indirectly through the ad, okay? But there's something I want to show you guys this morning, okay? I noticed that some people are, which is something you're going to be experiencing a lot of the time, okay? Um, when I come in here, I actually want to look into this. Let's use this. Okay, so um, the ad set, the ads for this. Okay, so this is the ad section. I want us to view this ad. So if I click on preview, you're going to see this. It has about 29 comments, um, 5 shares, right? So we can let's view these on our timeline. So Facebook post with comments. We can view that. Okay, so right here you can see that some people are just commenting like it's not it is okay, this person say is working now, I've used it. But there's this person that and there is this person that is here trying to sell whatever it is she's selling. It seems the person is selling same product and this person says, shout me, I sell 1K for one pack. And very interesting, crazy people. So you're going to see people like that. I told you people before that this is actually is becoming saturated. A lot of people are selling Torah, but I'm just trying to show you that even with a saturated product, you can still sell it if you do it the right way. Okay, you are going to sell. Okay, because trust me, there are a lot of things that adds together that adds up to um, how people respond to your ads. Okay, first impression really matters. That's why I always talk about you creating really good pages. Now the pages I used for this case study, I'm going to give you guys the pages so you can model, you can use them, just edit, change colors and all that, and just use some create really awesome pages. All right, for people who want to start creating full stage pages and separate pages, you can do that. Just see these things, yeah, easy to do. Okay, if you go out there, you'll be able to see even templates that people have created and they're free that you can make use of. So what I would just want to go through in this video is this kind of stuff. It's not every time I'm going to be online. So like this person that is saying I need it, I'm just basically going to copy this. Okay, um this one said, what is this nonsense? Well, of course you're going to see such people, so I'm just going to mark of 66 everywhere. Okay, so I'm just going to ban this person. Okay, so this person that is asking how much, I'm going to reply her with the link. Okay, this is the full thing I need to send to. Okay, right here, so I can delete this. Let me just delete this and apply once more. And how can I get it? Okay, so I'm going to reply this one. All right, how much? I'm just going to hit the reply, paste. How much? Paste. How much? Paste. Okay, so you need to look at your comments and all that, okay, for you to do this. You okay, you're replying to someone that was this person that was acting silly. Okay, so anyway, trust me, I'm going to meet such people online every time, every single time. Okay, every single time. um okay, great, of course it's fine, love your round face. Well, it's cool, doesn't mean that there are no other people who and of course, it doesn't really, there's nothing wrong with us living that day. But what I want to do is make sure that nobody comes to this page to post stupid things. Okay. So like devil, like Satan, like fraudster, like scam, all this kind of shit. Okay. I don't want it on this page on my comments. So what I'm going to do is go to my page and I am going to censor all form of comments. Okay. So I'm going to go to settings, right? I'm going to go to settings and so right here under general settings I'm going to go to page rules. Where is it again? uh, page moder page moderation. Okay, so no words are being blocked from this page, so we're going to block some words. Okay, so add words or phrases to block, so you can even upload a CSV file. Okay, but we are just going to paste those words. So I already have a file here, and the other thing I want to put there is sell. Okay, or yeah, sell, or something like contact. Okay, contact me. Okay, so I'm going to copy all of these words and paste right here. Add. Okay, so you can see all of these now are the words that we are going to censor. So anytime someone tries to type it, they are not going to be able to post the comments. All right, so that's how you filter your comments and make sure that you have really clean ads running on Facebook. You don't want to have people commenting shit on your stuff, on your ads. Okay, it's very important that you keep your ads clean. Okay, of any form of abuse. All right, of any form of stealing. Okay, so take note of certain words that people use and censor them. All right, so I believe you guys get it. It's not 24 hours yet, so in the next 24 hours from the previous video, we are going to see the result from our new campaign right here. The new campaign, we'll see that we already have one page purchase, and it's $2.76 per purchase, which is awesome, by the way. Okay, so let's see what happens in the next couple of hours. Right, this has been running for how long now? This is 9. This is 9, so it's been running for, let's say, 6 hours. 6 hours. Okay, so let's speak. Of course, it was all through the night. People were sleeping. People are just waking up. Saturday. Okay, so anyway, we'll get to see later tonight to see the results of the campaign. Okay.